If you run a fleet repair operation, you already know this. Trucks don't stop evolving, and neither can the shops that maintain them. Every year there's more technology built in today's trucks, more electronics, more systems talking to each other, and more pressure to diagnose fast, fix it right, and reduce downtime. For more than 20 years, TruckSeries repair information has kept trucks moving, mile after mile, year after year. Backed by over 100 years of Mitchell 1 expertise, beginning with the Mitchell manuals, TruckSeries carries that legacy to the next generation of fleet maintenance. It's a comprehensive suite that brings together diagnostics, repair information, labor estimating, and even shop management together in one connected workflow. TruckSeries supports all makes and models of Class 4 through 8 vehicles from 1990 to today. And when you need answers, it gets you there fast. You can move from DTC to diagnostics in seconds. No code, no problem. Just search by symptom or component and go straight to the fix. Getting started is simple. Look up your vehicles by VIN, plate, or make and model. Then enter your search term. Not a great speller? You're not alone. If you make a typo, TruckSeries knows what you mean, so you can find what you need fast, no matter how you spell it. This brings you to the One Search Plus dashboard, driven by a powerful search engine where you can instantly access critical information aligned with your workflow. Even more, you gain access to over 500 TMC recommended practices, putting trusted industry guidance right at your fingertips. Working on an electrical issue? The award-winning interactive wiring diagrams show connectors, grounds, and splices at a glance. Click any component for instant specs and testing. No bouncing between screens. Need ADAS service information? It's there, with system details and calibration procedures to support today's advanced driver assistance systems. TruckSeries helps identify ABS, engine, and transmission tags, so you're always using the correct service information and ordering the right parts the first time. With labor estimating, TruckSeries automatically applies VMRS coding to help standardize and track repairs. And it doesn't stop at repair information. It extends into shop management with Manager SE Truck Edition, giving you full visibility into every job, every technician, and every dollar moving through your shop. As truck technology advances, TruckSeries evolves right alongside it. With 20 years online, TruckSeries isn't just keeping up with the fleet maintenance industry, it's shaping what comes next.